Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you installation of JDK 21. Also, I will be showing you how to use it for running your Java program. So guys, let's start the video. So you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for JDK download. And now guys, here you can see it's showing me the official website oracle.com. You need to just click on this Java downloads link. So it will redirect you to downloads page, and guys, here you can see two LTS version, that is long time support, Java 21 and Java 17. 21 is the latest one, so I will be installing Java 21. And guys, here it's showing me different operating system. Based on your operating system, you can select it. I'm selecting Windows, and guys, here in the product I will be selecting x64 MSI installer. So for downloading MSI, I need to click on this link. Okay, so guys, here you can see my download has been started. It will not take more time and it is done. Now I'm going to click on this MSI. Let me minimize my browser, and here I'm just clicking on this run button. And now guys, here I'm going to simply click on next button. And here guys, it's showing me the installation location for JDK 21. So it will go into C:\program files Java JDK 21. If you wish to change, you can click on this change button. And now guys, I'm going to click on this next button. So guys, here it is asking me permission. So here I'm going to click on yes button to continue my installation. So guys, it will not take more time. You can see my installation is done now. And here it's showing me Java development successfully installed. So I need to click on this close button. So now guys, I'm going to open command prompt and I'm going to check whether my Java is working or not. So simply here I'm going to write Java space hyphen version, and you can see here it's showing me Java 21 LTS. Okay, so guys, I have not set the environmental variable. Still it is showing yes, it works without environmental variable also. Sometime guys, if you are installing any external IDE and you are running Java program over there, then for that you need to have what environmental variable path. So now let me show you how to add a path to environmental variable. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to copy the path of my Java JDK. So I'm going to C:\program files here Java JDK 21 bin and simply copy this path because we have to set this into environmental variable. Let me close this, and here I'm searching env, that is edit the environmental variable, and just start this. And here guys, you need to click on this environmental variable button, and now under this system variable, here we have one variable known as path. Simply select this and click on this edit button, and now guys, click on this new button and paste the copied path and click on OK. After this, we have to create one variable, that is Java_home. So just click on this new button and write Java_home, and after this guys, paste the copied path, and you don't need to put up to bin, you need to erase this. It should be up to what JDK 21. Click on OK, and one more time OK. So that's all guys, path is done. Now let's move to the next step, a Java program and how to run it. So for that, first of all, I'm creating one folder on my desktop and I'm giving name to this folder as CS Corner. You can give any name and you can create it anywhere. Okay, so this is my blank folder. I'm not having anything in this folder. And now guys, for creating my program, I'm going to use what Notepad editor. You can use any other editor also. So here I'm just starting Notepad. Okay, and here I'm going to simply type a program, hello world program, where I will be printing a simple message. Okay, and this program is going to be little different than the program which you were doing in your earlier JDK. So for that, I'm just creating class hello world. And here guys, I'm going to write a main method. Now in JDK 21, for writing main method, if you are not writing public static and then string args, that is okay, it works without that. So simply I'm going to write void, and here I'm going to write main method. So previously what we used to do, we used to write something like this, public, and then we write static and then void and then main, and inside this we used to write string and args, right? So now if you don't write this, then also it will work. If you write, then also it will work. So I will show you both the things. Okay, so I just wrote void main, and here I am starting curly bracket, and inside this, guys, I'm going to simply print a message, system dot out dot println, and here I'm going to print thanks for watching. So guys, now let me save this program. So for saving this program, we have to go to file menu, and we have to click on this save as option. And now here you can select your folder. So I'm selecting my folder, and here I'm going to give my file name as hello world, whatever is your class name, and give the extension .java. And from save as type, you have to select all files, okay, and click on this save button. So guys, my file is saved. See, you can see my file is saved now. And now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to start my command prompt. So simply here type what, cmd. Okay, so it will start your command prompt. And now guys, let's compile the program. So for compilation, we use javac, and then program name, and here give the extension, so .java. So done. So this has compiled my program, and you can see here class file is also generated. Now let's run the program. If you have run any program using any of the previous JDK, then for running program we use what, Java and the program name, right? So but in latest JDK, if you try to run in this way, it shows me the message that static main method is not found, because it is trying to access the main method by using public static void main, and in my program I have only void main method. Okay, so if you want to use the feature of JDK 21, that is without writing this way main method, if you want to run your JDK, then you have to use little different syntax. So instead of just writing Java hello world, we have to add something extra. So for that I'm writing Java space hyphen enable, and again hyphen, and then preview, and guys, then after that give the space and your program name. So my program name is hello world, and hit enter. So boom guys, you can see the output using latest JDK. So without using this type of main method, I'm able to run my Java program. And the syntax is what? This is the syntax for running Java program in latest JDK. Okay, now guys, let me just delete this portion, and let me show you whether it works with previous way of writing main method or not. So I'm just deleting it, and I'm going to save. So just save it, and let's recompile and rerun the program. So let's recompile, okay, and let's rerun by using previous method. Yes, it's working fine. So we'll try to run by using the latest JDK method also, so that also working. Okay, so I hope guys you have got it, how to use this JDK 21 for running your Java program without using public static void main string args syntax. Just writing void main, your work is done. So guys, if really my video has helped you, then don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any type of query, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. And guys, if you want free PDF and notes related to CS and IT, you can join my Telegram channel. I've given link in description box, and guys, my different social media link is also in description box. You can follow me there. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, and take care and keep learning guys.